Hi, today I'm going to show you how the data group function in Excel can improve your strategic planning. This is a simple strategic plan with assumptions, forecast, our source financials with our forecasted financials. The first item is the time series detail in the strategic plan. These calculations will drive the presentation of the time series. However, for the purposes of the strategic plan and for stakeholder users, they do not need to see that detail. Hence, we will use data group to hide this in our financial model. The second item is the financial model detail. The keyboard shortcut is Shift-Alt right arrow. We can hide the details such as the business unit financials, which high-level stakeholders such as executives have no need to see. By using this, we can greatly reduce the detail and information that the financial model will present, but give users the option to ungroup and observe that granular detail in the financial models, such as for business units or subsidiary companies. Again, using the data group, we can hide all this detail up. The third one is innocuous calculations. Innocuous calculations are items such as calculating the net asset value for fixed assets by subtracting the accumulated depreciation from the cost of the asset to present just the net asset value, as so, or granular information such as deferred revenue in the financial model. This sort of information might be valuable for some users, but for the high-level presentation of the strategic plan, it is unnecessary. Again, as we can see, the opening balance of our cash at bank plus the retained earnings, and again with intangibles in our balance sheet. The fourth one is irrelevant elements. Irrelevant elements are things such as in the strategic forecast assumptions, the actuals surrounding the time series, which clearly we do not need. As we can see in our forecast output here, the actuals columns are irrelevant, hence we can group them up. And also for blank business unit cells such as the following. And also irrelevant items such as valuation assumptions in a strategic plan. The fifth one is error and alert checks. Clearly, the error and alert checks are an important and necessary tool in a best practice financial model and strategic plan. We can hide this detail up across the entire financial model. And finally, the sixth one, the high-level snapshot. The great thing about the data group function is that it provides a more high-level and more user-friendly snapshot of the financials to executive stakeholders instead of having to go through the granular detail of a standard financial model.